Black Friday is one of the biggest sale days of the year where multiple companies put out tons and tons of products for super great deals. This is the best time for you to save money on natural hair products and tools that you've been wanting to try for the longest of time. And in today's video, I'll be telling you about 5 tips and tricks of my own that I use to pretty much make online shopping for the natural hair community easier for me and easier for you. Hi, my name is Sam Kim, and I do videos about natural hair, fashion, and sometimes a little bit of beauty. And in today's video, I'll be telling you about 5 great tips and tricks that I use personally for every single Black Friday season online shopping, specifically for the natural hair community. So if this is a video for you, go ahead and click the like button down below because I know you will like this video, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. Okay? So we all know that Black Friday can be one of the most hectic times to go shopping. You know, you have the long line
wrapped around the building. People came prepared to wait. Also waiting, people in front of Target looking for the deals.
You have the crowd. You have the fights. You have a whole bunch of just craziness, but I will be telling you about some easy ways that you can do some online shopping for your natural hair products or tools that you may have been wanting to try for the longest of time, but actually want to save a few coins this time on those products. So let's go ahead and start off with tip number 1. So the first tip to make online shopping easier is to make a list of items that you want to purchase. It is so much helpful being organized on Black Friday compared to just going online and just rummaging through different websites and not really knowing what you want to buy. This also helps you stay focused in what you want to buy and not deter off into like, oh, let me get this, let me get that. I don't really need that, but ooh, that looks kind of good because it's on sale. Staying focused is the main thing with Black Friday because you do not want to overspend because all the deals look really, really attractive. And you do not want to sit here and swipe the card and just punch in numbers all throughout the day and then realize, yeah, I kind of overspent because I didn't have like a goal here or a list to go off of, and I didn't really know what I wanted to get. So making a list would be really, really helpful to stay organized and to stay focused into your shopping goals for the Black Friday season. Tip number 2, if you really, really want to find like the best deals for certain type of companies that you want to purchase from, let's say if you want to purchase from Camille Rose, Eden Body Works, The Main Choice, I highly suggest to follow these brands on social media throughout this season. Social media is the best place to get the immediate notifications for any type of sale, whether it's a Black Friday sale, Cyber Monday sale, or just a regular sale. But for this Black Friday time, you want to be in the know and the first to know about any type of sale that they do have during Black Friday. And also keep in mind when you are following these companies on Instagram, make sure that your notification post is on, because when they post any type of post on their newsfeed, it will be notified to you so you can get the first notification. You don't want to be on Black Friday and then be scrolling on Instagram and be like, oh my gosh, Main Choice have a 70% off sale with free shipping, and then it was 5 hours ago it was posted. So then now when you go on their website, it's like, well, I did want to try this product, but it's sold out. And I wanted to try that product, but it's sold out because I'm 5 hours too late. But if you have your notifications on for that specific page, then you'll be notified when they post anything throughout that day. So I really suggest doing that, following these brands, as well as having your post notifications on for these brands. Tip number 3, and I know this is kind of like a tip that some people may like, some people may not like, but tip number 3 is signing up for these brands' email lists. Now, I feel like if you're a person that checks your email on a regular basis, sometimes I do, but not as frequently as an Instagram. If you check your email frequently, I really suggest signing up for their email list because brands always shoot out emails for any type of sales they may have, and especially for Black Friday. And sometimes email emails go out before Instagram posts. So it's kind of like another way for you to be notified faster compared to everyone else who aren't notified via social media and don't have an email list with them. So I feel like subscribing to their website is very, very good to get email notifications on any type of upcoming deals. And I know, you know, some people do not like the flooding of the emails on a daily basis, but you can just sign up for right now. And then once Black Friday is over with or Cyber Monday is over it, you can just pretty much just unsubscribe and you no longer have all those emails flooding, you know, the email. Okay, so that is tip number 3. Tip number 4, and this is a really, really good tip that I learned last year to pretty much just save my time and get everything that I want when I'm shopping for a really good deal, is to make sure that you have an actual account on these brands' website. Nothing sucks more than putting all these items that you want into your cart, and now it's time to pretty much fill out all the information about your address, your credit card information, and then you move on to the next page to confirm your purchase or to just confirm your information, and then you get a notification that says,
sorry, but 2 of your items has been out of stock in your cart, so it must be removed.
That is annoying, especially when it's the item that you really, really wanted. Okay, so I highly suggest making an already account on these websites, so therefore when it's time to check out, all you got to do is check out, confirm your information is already listed, your credit card information is already saved onto the website, so you pretty much save so much time compared to everyone else who don't have an account on that website. And now you got everything that you need. So yeah, so because I've been through the past, you know, I'm sitting there looking, searching, getting everything that I want, especially with clothing websites. That's like the worst of all times during a good sale. Like you're buying all this stuff, well, putting everything into your cart, different sizes, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, we ran out of mediums, we ran out of large, we ran out of small, we ran out of this. Because you have to sit there and put in all your information, and then people are just sitting there clicking, checking out, while you're still filling out all your information slowly but surely and trying to work fast, and then boom, we're sold out. So there we go. So that is definitely a good tip to use, is to sign up for these websites and make an account beforehand, so therefore when it's time to check out, it's a smooth transaction. And tip number 5. Now this is like one of my secret tips, and I really don't want to share this, but I'm just trying to help y'all out, okay? Because Black Friday is approaching and I want everybody to get the items that they want, okay? I know I'm gonna get my items. So tip number 5. Now I've noticed this over the past, just from shopping on a regular basis, is this tip is to add items into your cart before Black Friday that you actually want, okay? Or the items that you know that's going to be on sale already. It's a little bit harder with hair companies because they don't actually release what's on sale until the actual Black Friday day, but it still may work. So I suggest just putting items into your cart that you actually want, so when they do release whatever type of deal they have, whether it be, you know, 50% off code with free shipping, 40% off, you already have everything into your cart and you could just put in whatever code and purchase. If you have ever noticed, like when you go on a hair website or a clothing website and you put stuff into your cart and you leave it there, and then you get an email saying, oh, you forgot something in your cart, do you want to come purchase? That is how I realized that things sit in your cart for however long until it's sold out, until you actually make that purchase. So therefore, for this Black Friday time, that will be the best thing to do in order to get everything, at least almost everything that you want, with ease. Okay, so this video is all about shopping online with ease, making it easier. Okay, sis? So yes, and also if you do have items in your cart during that Black Friday time and the sale releases and some of those items not on sale, I just say just take them off the cart. Simple as that. But at least you have some of the items that you actually did want that's on sale already in the cart, so you don't have to sit there and search your website, search here to find things. You know, it's just so much easier. And also to just download the apps. If they do have apps for the actual website, download them so it can be easier to just click and purchase and call it a day. So these are some of the tips and tricks that I have been using for the past few Black Fridays to help my shopping online for natural hair products and tools much easier for me, and hopefully much easier for you. So if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, turn it gray, and make sure you have your post notifications on so you can see more videos like this in the future. Bye guys.